Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. Have you ever felt shy while speaking English? Do you know the words, but your mouth stays silent? And have you ever sat in a hostel room at night thinking, how can I really improve my English? This video is for you. Tonight, two hostel friends sit down for an honest conversation. No fancy grammar, no fake motivation, just real struggles, real fears, and practical ways to learn English step by step. If you're a student, a hostelite, or someone who wants confidence in English, watch till the end, because this conversation might change the way you learn forever.
Bro, can I ask you something honestly?
Yeah, sure. What's on your mind?
I really want to improve my English, but I don't know where to start. I feel stuck.
You're not alone. Almost everyone in this hostel feels the same, but few actually work on it.
That's true. I keep watching motivational videos, but nothing changes.
Motivation without action is useless. English needs daily practice, not inspiration.
My biggest problem is confidence. I know words, I know grammar, but when I speak, my mind goes blank.
That happens because you're afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, I feel people will laugh at me.
Let me tell you something important. People don't laugh at mistakes. They laugh at silence.
That hit hard.
Mistakes mean you're learning. Silence means you're avoiding growth.
So, how should I practice speaking? I don't have foreign friends.
You don't need foreigners. You need consistency.
How?
Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Think in English, not Urdu.
Talking to myself sounds crazy.
Learning something new always looks crazy to people who never try.
My vocabulary is weak. I forget words quickly.
Because you memorize, not use.
What should I do instead?
Learn 5 words daily, but make sentences. Speak them loudly. Use them in real conversations.
So, quality over quantity?
Exactly. 100 useful words are better than 1,000 forgotten ones.
Grammar confuses me a lot, tenses especially.
Stop trying to be perfect.
But grammar is important.
Yes, but fluency comes before accuracy. Children speak wrong grammar for years, yet they communicate.
So, I should speak first, correct later?
That's the smartest approach.
I also struggle to understand native speakers.
That's because you listen to English like Urdu.
What does that mean?
English has linking sounds, fast pace, different stress.
So, how do I improve?
Watch English videos daily. Start with subtitles. Slowly remove subtitles. Repeat sentences loudly.
Should I read books?
Definitely. Start simple. Short stories, news headlines, social media captions in English.
And writing?
Write daily. A diary. Hostel experiences. Your thoughts.
Even if my English is bad?
Especially if it's bad. That's how it improves.
Can you suggest a daily routine?
Sure. Morning, 15 minutes. Learn 5 words. Make sentences. Afternoon, 20 minutes. Watch an English video. Note expressions. Night, 15 minutes. Speak with a friend or talk to yourself.
That sounds manageable.
Consistency beats intensity.
What if people mock my English?
Then smile and continue.
Seriously?
Yes, confidence silences mockery. Remember, people respect effort, not perfection.
How long did it take you to improve?
Months, not days, and I'm still learning.
So there's no finish line?
Language learning is a journey, not a destination.
I like that. Can we practice English together daily?
Of course. Let's make a rule. Only English after dinner, no judging, only learning. Deal. I feel lighter after this talk because clarity removes fear. Thanks, bro. One day we'll speak fluent English. Not one day, every day, step by step.